Hi students, my name is Rohin Mukadam and today we are going to discuss about verb. What is basically verb is, what are the definitions and different types. Okay, so first I just want to state you that verb is also one of the part of speech. Okay, verb, what are the basic definition of verb? Verb is a doing word. It is an doing verb. We can state that it is an action word that shows an action, an event or a state. So basically verb क्या है? Verb एक ऐसा word है जो action show करता है, कोई event और कोई state. A sentence may either have a main verb, a helping verb or both. In other words, a verb is a word that informs about an action, an existence of something or an occurrence. The verb is the main word in the sentence. No sentence can be completed without a verb. Okay? So basically क्या है? Verb एक ऐसा word है जो show करता है action को, events को और state को. Verb के सेंटेंस में मेन वर्ब भी हो सकते हैं और हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी, और दोनों भी. ओके, सो इट बेसिकली इट इज़ अ वर्ड दैट इन्फॉर्म्स अबाउट एन एक्शन, कोई एग्जिस्टिंग, किसी की एग्जिस्टिंग. द वर्ब इज द मेन वर्ड इन द सेंटेंस, और बिना वर्ब के कोई भी सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता. द वर्ड वर्ब डिराइव फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड वर्बम. Verb is a word that shows an action. For example, the girl is jumping, so she is a jumping girl. The baby sleeps. A man eats a burger. In all these three of the example, we can see that jumping, sleep and eats, it is an action which is done by them, which is none other by verb. Some examples of verb. Basically verb क्या होता है हमने सीखा, इसके कुछ examples है. Anthony is throwing the football. Anthony क्या कर रहा है? फुटबॉल को थ्रो कर रहा है. She accepted the job offer. Accepted the job offer. Action हुआ. He thought about his stupid mistakes in the test. John visited his friends for a while and then went home. Visited. The dog ran across the yard. Ran. She left in a hurry. Left. She yelled when she hit her toe. Yelled. The cat sat by the window. The cat sat. So basically हर सेंटेंस में एक्शन दिखाया जा रहा है. बिना एक्शन किए कोई सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता. सो व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ वर्ब इज. नाउ देयर आर टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब. बेसिकली द थ्री मेन टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब्स आर एक्शन वर्ब, लिंकिंग वर्ब एंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ओके, एक्शन वर्ब क्या है? इट टेल्स व्हाट एक्शन समथिंग और समवन इज परफॉर्मिंग. एक्शन वर्ब क्या होता है? ये क्या बताता है कि किसी ने या कोई चीज कैसे एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रही है. लिंकिंग वर्ब, इट कनेक्ट्स अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन विथ अ वर्ड दैट आइडेंटिफाइज और डिस्क्राइब्स इट. वो क्या करता है? नाउन को कनेक्ट करता है, प्रोनाउन को कनेक्ट करता है एक ऐसे वर्ड से जो आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है, उसको डिस्क्राइब कर सकता है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब, it added before another verb to make it a verb phrase. It is none other by helping verb. Helping verb basically क्या करता है? Add करता है before another verb to make it a verb phrase. So there are three types of verb. That is action verb. When the action is performed by someone or by something, we call it as an action verb. Linking verb, it connects a noun or pronoun with a word that identifies it or it describe it. Helping verb basically क्या करता है? Added before another verb to make it a verb phrase. Talking about the types of verb in detail, so we'll come to the first type, that is action verb. What is basically action verb? What does it shows? It shows us what actions a subject, that is the person or the animal or the object etc. is performing, has performed or will perform. Performing is in present, has performed we are talking about past, or will perform we are talking in future. So it shows us what action a subject is performing, has performed or will be going to perform. Example, Rob played cricket. Played is the action performed by Rob. Alice baked cake for the party. Baked is the action performed by Alice. Your dog is barking in the park. Barking is the action performed by the dog. I wrote a letter to my cousin. Wrote is the action performed by me for my cousin. Ducks are swimming in the pond. Swimming is the action performed by the ducks. Linking verbs. What are basically a linking verbs? Okay, let us study in detail. Linking verbs. Linking verbs are also called copulous or copula verb. Connects the subject of a sentence with an adjective, noun or descriptive phrase. To distinguish a copula verb, remember that they do not indicate action in a sentence. Rather, they describe a state of being, a result or one of the five senses. In other words, linking verbs do not have an object. That is, subject plus linking verb plus subject complement. For example 1, Harold is sleepy. Harold would be the subject, is would be the linking verb, and sleepy would be the subject complement. Harold would be the subject, it is the name of the person. Is would be the linking verb and sleepy would be the subject complement. Notice how is refers to the Harold state of being rather than an action he is performing. Okay, taking the second example, everything seemed normal. This example is very similar to the first sentence. Here everything is the subject, seem is the linking verb and normal is the subject complement describing everything seems to be normal. Taking the third example, ice feels cold to the touch. Ice is the subject here, feels become a copula verb and the phrase cold to the touch would be a subject complement. Working with linking verbs really is that painless? No, actually. These are a few common linking verbs found in English. Now these are the few common linking verb list. Let us see. Example 1, appear, look, seems, indicates, grow, go, stay, remain, smell, taste, feel, sound, fall, get, come, become, act, is, was and will be. It is the state of tense. When we are talking about is, we are talking in present. When we are talking about was, we are talking in past, and when we are talking about will be, we are talking about future. The most commonly used linking verbs are forms of the verbs to be, been, am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, has been, have been, had been, shall have been, will have been, should be, would be, can be, could be, should have been, would have been and could have been. These are the most commonly words of linking verbs which are used to form the forms of verb. Talking about the third types of verb, that is the helping verb. what is basically helping verb is? Helping verbs helps the main verb to describe action. That action happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. So basically helping verb क्या करता है? Help करता है the main verb to describe action. Whether the action will be happen in the past or will be happening in the future or will be happening in the present. Okay? So am, is, are, these three are the words which are used to state about the present condition. Was, were, these are the words which we can use to describe about the past statement. Been, be, has, have, had, did, shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, can, could, does, do. These are the all other help words, okay, in which their action happens in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. Now talking about various form of helping verb. Be, have and do. It helps to express tense, mood or voice. Talking about the tense, there are three types of tense, that is the present, past and future. Okay, so when we are talking about past perfect tense, the sentence should be she had taken the bed. Had is the past word which is describing that the sentence has the past statement. They were lying from day one. Talking about the mood, did it work? Do think again. Talking about voice, the fox was seen by the farmer. Thank you.